Many thanks. Now, the Delhi High Court has summoned SpiceJet CEO and Chief Operating Officer in relation to a payment dispute with lessors. The court has asked the airline CEO and COO to physically appear before it for the next hearing, which is scheduled for the 16th of January. Ashmit is standing by now with more details. Ashmit, many thanks. There is no CEO or COO at SpiceJet currently. So what happens from here?
Indeed, and the one hemming the ship from here has been the chairman and MD, Ajay Singh himself. So there is that bit of a question mark. Team France lawyers, however, are very clear in their view that they believe Ajay Singh will need to appear. We are yet to hear in terms of who will appear from the airline itself. But as far as the background to this is concerned, SpiceJet, the airline, has been hard at work in terms of resolving these outstanding payment dues with the various lessors. Team France is not one of them. Team France claims outstanding dues of over $24 million, saying that these dues have been pending for a very long time. In fact, they point towards a very specific order of May of 2024, which specifically had directed, with the consent of both sides, had directed SpiceJet to cough up that amount of $6 million. We're standing here now in December, the Delhi High Court expressing its frustration over non-compliance with it, with the High Court order. And with that in mind, the High Court making its frustration known by summoning physically the CEO as well as the COO of the airline to appear physically in person before the next date of hearing before the High Court. That's on January 16th. What's interesting is that the counsels for SpiceJet had sought an exemption, saying that how about we have the CEO and the COO appear virtually. That was expressly denied by the High Court, saying that nothing doing, we want them to appear, we want the top leadership to appear before us to answer these questions over non-payment. Now, we reached out to the airline. What they're saying is that both these positions are lying vacant, and technically speaking, Ajay Singh occupies the position of chairman and MD. So an interesting question mark for SpiceJet to answer. As far as Team France is concerned, the lessors believe Ajay Singh needs to show up on Jan 16th before the Delhi High Court.
All right, Ashmit, appreciate you joining us. That is the latest in the legal troubles for SpiceJet. Now, sticking with action from the Supreme Court.